Hello and welcome back to another video. More specifically, the art of cost reduction, or I guess in this instance, more the art of programming really crappy microcontrollers. Because I want to showcase kind of the cleverness of the program running on these things. Because there's this tiny one. All of these and this actually came from Five Below. This one actually I ordered off AliExpress. The Hansheng, which I probably mispronounced. So these originally, oh, that was quick. This thing's aggressive with the power consumption, with the auto off, isn't it? These things originally ran on this really crappy 4-bit microcontroller from Holtec with a built-in. Actually, let me go look it up. So I refreshed myself and wrote it down. So it's something like there's actually two things. So it's gonna be either 80 or 120 bytes of ROM, which is actually gonna be multiply that by 2 because it's gonna be 4-bit words because 4-bit microcontroller. And actually 4 bytes of RAM. ROM. No, 80 to 120 bytes of RAM. It's a 4 bytes of ROM, which is actually quite a bit more than I expected. But that's still not exactly the most amount of space, especially when you have need to program not only the different games but also the different variations of them. And there's a nifty trick. So the reason why I grabbed this small one too is because it's the other variation of. Yeah, it's the other variation, possibly the older variation. But this is hard to film, so I'm gonna put this to the side for now. So you have this variation counter, and what that does is depending on the variation and what you set that is, it enables different things like Joker bricks, which are these 1x1 things, and other bricks is like exploding bricks, and then things that shoot to either insert or delete things, and depending on the number this is, it'll enable or disable a combination of those. So I think that what's happening here is that this is being treated as it's selecting those based on the different bits being set of the binary representation of that number. I could be wrong, but I would bet some money on that being the case, because it means you won't have to have a giant switch table with different cases, and it means it would be much. You just need to have this number somewhere in RAM, and oh, by the way, large portion of the RAM is essentially the frame buffer for the LCD. So, if I had to have a guess, I know it says in the data sheet, but it's probably about like half of the of data RAM is dedicated to the screen. And it has a hardware stack. So return addresses for subroutines are actually in this little small hardware stack, which is separate from data RAM. So other games, they have their own things. I don't quite remember what that does. I think it just flips the. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do that on with one hand. Now these variations are very simple. well, apart from the Tetris ones, which get pretty complicated, actually. You know, they flip the thing and they, you know, add more stuff or something like that. The ball-based ones, this is interesting because, I don't quite remember what it is, but the specific variations, but it shares, see this thing right here? If we go to a different one, same heart shape, Pong thing, the heart shape, I don't know if, that's the other thing. Not the heart shape. Is it gonna be that one? I don't think it's gonna be that one. No. So, anyway, so like quite a few of the structures that you shoot up at the, in the ball games are the same. And another thing is, so game 11, 4 long. Oh. Can you tell I haven't scripted this? Alright, 4 long. If we go to 2, you know, it's good thing. Makes it smaller. If we go back to game 11, half fell apart. It's only too long. So yeah, for the ball games, they're able to just reuse code for some of the things. There's another thing where I forget what value it is, but okay, that's just gonna be a flipping thing. It does this. It rotates it's probably just doing some bit shifting. Makes it scroll horizontally. And the Tetris game also has that feature. Is it also going to be... Oh, see, weird thing. I'll do that. Really should have looked this up before filming. This is embarrassing. It's one of these. Wait, did I already do 8? Oh yeah, it's not, it's actually one of the game variations, the top number. Anyway, but you get the idea. They reuse a good bit of the code in order to reduce the ROM size in order to pack as much like complexity into the thing. Now there's a variation where is this one gonna? I don't feel like getting batteries installed in that. Is it? Oh, there batteries in this? No. I'm actually, I shouldn't say I'm a good keeper of my electronics. I've forgotten to remove the batteries off the stuff. there's differences in like the implementation. That's the reset button, not the sound button. And oh yeah, setting. Also, the battery cover sucks. I mean, hold it. Getting the freaking sound. This isn't gonna shut. To toggle is a massive pain in the ass because I think they've got to do this debouncing in the software debouncing for that. And the Tetris game, probably the easiest variation to notice is that the Tetris game on this, it doesn't clear everything and bump you up to the next level when you clear enough lines. It just stays there on the same level and speed. This one does do that. So yeah, there's like weird differences between these, but personally I like this variation more because it kind of is more just of you messing up and being stupid than the game doing stuff, getting harder. Also these tiny ones are like RSI City with your hands. Oh, and this one too. That's Repetitive Strain Injury City. This one's pretty damn good actually, ergonomic wise. I just wore the buttons out for playing it so much. I don't have batteries in this, I believe. This one's similar to that one, except it's a little worse. Actually, maybe not a little worse. Well, similar problem because these buttons are tiny, and actually this one doesn't have the Tetris game in it. And I think, I've kind of, watched videos of the, ADHD, autism, freaking, oh shit, accent, off, when I was cleaning with isopropyl alcohol, the weird autism hyperfixation thing, search up videos of LCD brick games on YouTube. And I read the comments, and people have said stuff about their version of this one not having Tetris on it. And, there's that Suit Fandom site with details on, like, the key combinations you can enter, because these have, like, weird key combinations. I don't know about this one and this one, because these are the other variation. These are the second variation. But, this Fandom site said something about, U.S. courts and stuff about the court finding it, or maybe the Trade Commission saying that because it was identical to Tetris, country piracy, and the issue is there are no citations on that page, no sources or anything, and it doesn't like bring up like a case title, a number, whatever lawyers use in order to pinpoint a specific case. It's probably a number, case number or something. So honestly, I can't verify that, at least not easily, and I'm not gonna ask some stupid AI because it's probably just gonna regurgitate some bullshit. So if you have any information about that, make sure to put it in the comments. Yeah, these are pretty clever programming wise. They quite fascinating.